Good afternoon. Today we are here to have a unique launch of and introduction of a unique launch of our one of the marketing activity, which we call it LG Lifestyle and Service on Wheels, where we have taken a huge bus. We have decorated it nicely. We have given it a shape of a premium home or a flat, where we have displayed all our unique products, which all have a connect with lifestyle. Those products are definitely unique in terms of its features and aesthetics, but this will connect directly with your lifestyle. This will enhance the decor as well as the like upliftment of your flat and the room. So this bus we would like to take it to a lot of proper places, because these are all unique and expensive products where the potential consumers are there, and we would like to experience them the bus and then connect it with their lifestyle along with our product, that how this product can enhance their the lifestyle of their flat or the room decor or things like that. So that is our main motto. Total around 50 odd cities we would like to travel in pan India. We will be spending close to 10 crore rupees. That's our marketing expenses for this particular activity. We have started this from Karnataka, and now we are here in AP, and we will move to all India. LG position presently is very strong. We consider ourselves to be number one consumer durable player, almost all product segments, according to ORG GfK. We have a pretty high market share. Growth is anything between 20 to 25% over last year. This bus, through this bus, so far we have been able to connect around 12,000 consumers, 10 to 12,000 consumers. We would like to reach around 50 to 60 odd thousand consumers in pan India through this bus. It has got nothing to do with absolute terms of sales. This will definitely enhance the brand image, the premiumness of the brand everywhere, wherever it will move, and through our products, through our unique products, and they will have a direct connect with their lifestyle. Yeah, this is the first time initiative taken by any consumer durable industry, and this is consumer durable industry first time is experiencing this. Before this, I don't think anybody has done something like this. We have a lot of new products. This year we have given some 15 odd days back the new range of panels, where one of them I would like to mention, as it is going to be the world's best panel. That's how it has been considered in CE show of Las Vegas. It is a 1mm panel, which is supposed to be the thinnest panel in the world. It has got a lot of unique features like YD, then dual play facilities like that. Apart from that, in bus we have displayed a couple of products which we have still now not launched, but we are yet to launch it by this year, and those products will also come, like the gas oven and then chimneys and products like that. Response is extremely good. A lot of customers are coming, they are experiencing, they are inquiring about the products. A lot of those consumers are getting converted into sales also. So the experience so far is very good. We have moved it in Tirupati, I believe, right? And Tirupati, the response was very good, but we are expecting a better response in Hyderabad, because the products are pretty premium. So Hyderabad is a premium market. So here the response is going to be definitely better.